If today, you know and you are confident na kayang-kaya ko ang trabaho ko, maayos ako sa pagtatrabaho ko, I even get merits for my work, don't stop there. Don't rest on your laurels. Never stop learning. And that's when you educate yourself further. You can enroll in other courses, magbasa, mag-aral, mag-explore, mag-travel. So these are the ways, some of the ways, where you are able to never stop learning. Third, know your goals, know your dreams, know what you want, and work towards the attainment of these dreams. At sa mga kababaihan po na minsan ay nakakaranas ng pang-aabuso sa loob ng bahay, ang lagi pong naiisip, kasi victims would come to me, beaten black and blue, but they just couldn't leave their homes. Why? Because of questions like, who would put food on the table? Wala akong trabaho. Who would send my children to school? Wala akong pera, wala akong ipapabaon. But, if you are self-sufficient, at least financially, meron kang trabaho, meron kang pagkukuhanan ng resources, mas malakas ang loob mong kumawala sa sitwasyon ng pang-aabuso. And lastly, for you to be able to empower yourselves, you have to give back. Empower other women as well. Help them and teach them how to. At sa loob ng mga tips na ito, napakalaki po ng role ng mga kalalakihan. Why? Because you are the ones, mighty ones as you are the ones who would help and motivate and encourage and even challenge women. Kayo po ang tatapik sa balikat at magsasabing, that's good, or it's a good work, or you can move on, or you can, that deserves praise. Kasi kahit na empowered ang babae, hindi naman pwedeng ipagpilitan niya ang sarili niya. Hindi ba? Kagaya sa organisasyon ng PIBA, for example, ang pag-angat ng babae, siya man ay empowered, siya man ay nag-aaral, kilala man niya ang sarili niya, hindi naman niya maipipilit ang sarili niya, di ba? Nang ganun-ganun lang. Kahit na siya ay may galing, may katalinuhan. Kung hindi bibigyan ng chance, ng opportunity, ng mga kalalakihang nasa itaas din ng hierarchy. So, napakalaki po ng role ng lalaki sa empowerment ng mga babae. Pero wag din naman nating isang tabi na kahit walang lalaki, ay maaaring by ourselves, we can empower ourselves. Lastly, tingnan niyo po yung chemical symbol na Fe. Alam po natin yung table of elements. Hydrogen is H. What is Fe?
Iron.
Iron. And male, the synonym of male is man, right? So when you say female, how does it translate? A female is an Iron Man. You are strong. So, magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat at maraming salamat sa inyo. Have a very fruitful weekend.